When I was a kid, I lived in Texas, and I would hear stories of the mythical place up north known as Wisconsin. Where they made the cheese and the dairy and the sausages and the beer, and it was a fat person's paradise.
Yeah, that was me as a kid.
That was a pretty fun stop. Alyssa made a new friend, and I sampled way too much cheese for somebody that's lactose intolerant. I feel like Wisconsin is one of the places that I could not live, or my life would be over soon.
Maybe.
I mean, they're known for cheese, sausage, beer, and big giant Bloody Marys.
Life was good spending summers in Wisconsin growing up, I have to say.
All right, back to the road.
It is crazy out.
Give it some. Would I never so stupid? Oh yeah. Rolling downtown, down my way, every day got a sweet little girl.
So, once again, we find ourselves in a winter wonderland. We're in the middle of Wisconsin, on our way to Minneapolis again, and apparently there is a historical, record-breaking blizzard that we just happened to be here for.
Uptown, downtown, any old way, I'll take you any day. You're the number one fan of my heart for sure, and I know I just can't let you play around on me. No, no. I see you everywhere I go, all around. Baby, wrong that I need some more.
Oh, that one is got tape on it.
Why are we going to Minnesota in a blizzard, Brian?
Here's the thing, we like to be where the action is. And there's a historic blizzard going on right now in Minnesota. So we want to be where the action is. We're going to the action.
Give it to me. Oh, yeah, yeah. Give me more and more every day I play.
So we're like, you know what, baby? Hawaii's nice, but we're not making history in Waikiki.
Right.
Let's go to Minnesota.
Yeah, sure. So, no, we had multiple plane rides yesterday and thought that we would make it to Minneapolis.
Oh, we tried so hard.
And unfortunately, as Brian likes to say, his favorite airport
Lax.
sucks.
Hate Lax. Lax sucks. Lax, if you're watching this video, you suck.
So they totally over-fueled our plane by thousands of pounds.
Yeah, it was crazy. It was like they literally had to pump gas out of the airplane.
We were on the plane. The plane ride was supposed to be, what, 2.5 hours? And we were already on the plane, in the plane for over 2 hours, 2.5 hours before we left. So
we didn't leave. Yeah.
So needless to say, our connecting flights were late, and we were supposed to be the last flight out of Dallas, and here we are in Chicago.
No. Well, and then, so yeah.
On our way from Chicago to Minneapolis, now driving, because otherwise we don't get out till Tuesday or Wednesday. And sorry, Callie Edie, but we want to get to you on time. Beautiful, as messy as it is to drive in. My grandmother used to say she loved the snow. It made the world new again.
Something that I just can't live without.
So far we are in Eau Claire, almost Wisconsin. It is about 8:00 p.m. here, and the visibility is going down. This is what it's looking like. Winter Wonderland still outside, but probably starting to get awfully gray from your perspective.
You know what's interesting is I'm looking out the window and I'm looking at the phone screen, and the phone screen is clearer than what we can see out live to the naked eye. So I think I'm just gonna look at the phone screen as I drive. I think that's what I'm gonna do.
Except for you're driving to the side of the road, because I have to put it in the center for you.
I know.
Yeah, I don't know. It's fine.
I'm going 20 miles an hour on a major interstate highway. It's ridiculous.